In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover a Crossfire account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover the two main ways in which you will be able to recover a Crossfire account. The first one is the simplest one, and it is going to work if you still have access to the email where you created your Crossfire account. So all that you have to do is visit their website at crossfire.z8games.com, and in here, click login or sign up. If you click login, you will be able to find the options to input your email address, user ID, or password to log in. So all that you have to do here to recover your Crossfire account, if you still have access to the email where you created it, is to tap this option, forgot your password. This will redirect you to a page where now you can include the email address to recover the account. In there, you will find the link that you must click and you will be redirected back to the Z8 Games website where you can verify your identity and set up a new password so you can access Crossfire again. You also have these options below. If you forgot your email address, click this option and then you will be able to undergo another verification step to recover your account. So as you can see, you will be redirected to the support page. Or alternatively, I cannot access my email if you completely lost access to that email. You will then be redirected to the frequently asked questions page where you have a bunch of answers related to your account. You can read through these if you wish, but the best course of action now is going to be to submit a ticket. So through the option at the left side of the screen, you will be able to recover your account. So like I said, go back to the home screen of the support page and then click submit a ticket. You will notice that most of the time it is going to give you this error message. You do not have permission to carry out this action. If that is the case, after you browse through the frequently asked questions and you are going to be sending them a ticket, you will need to sign up into any account. This doesn't need to be the same one where you have the email or the same one that you are trying to recover, but you need to be signed in. So go to sign up and just create a random account where you can talk to their customer support. Alternatively, ask your friend to send them an email or a ticket on your behalf. I hope I was able to help you on how to recover a Crossfire account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.